morning. I'm meteorologist Eddie Holmes with your weather briefing from West Tennessee Weather Online for Friday, April the 30th. And lots to talk about on the weather as yet another weekend offers another risk of some severe weather. In fact, the potential exists for severe thunderstorms, including isolated tornadoes and heavy rain and flash flooding. The slight risk of severe thunderstorms exists for West Tennessee, and it looks like that's going to hold through much of the weekend. A flash flood watch is already posted for West Tennessee from tonight through Sunday afternoon. On the satellite imagery this morning at 4:30, thunderstorms are developing over the middle part of the country, and we can see some low cloudiness building over the southern portions of the plains down to the Gulf Coast, indicative of increasing moisture. And much of our area under high pressure, and it's going to be a delightful day as the day wears on. We'll see cloudiness increasing, and by late afternoon there may be some spotty thunderstorms developing. Here's this morning weather map. You can see at the surface, low pressure is located over Kansas, and we've got a cold front extending south into Texas. You see these lines of equal pressure are closely packed together, so this means it's going to be a breezy day today, but it's all southerly, and it's all going to be pouring in Gulf of Mexico moisture into the region and increased instability. Now by Saturday morning, that frontal boundary is going to be inching a little bit closer. It'll be extending from St. Louis down to Dallas. And the moisture will be building, and showers and thunderstorms will develop overnight tonight, and some of those rains will be heavy. And we will see that rain persisting through much of the day on Saturday. As you can see, much of the Volunteer State just inundated with rain chances. A low pressure system will be forming in East Texas on that frontal boundary. This may enhance the potential for some severe weather as it rides north along that front. We'll be watching for that for late Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening, so stay up on that particular forecast as we go through the weekend. Now this is today's categorical risk of severe weather. You can see there's a slight risk of severe weather from roughly Paris down to Jackson and to Bolivar and points west. So a slight risk, and it looks like any severe weather that could occur would be late tonight across this area of West Tennessee, and that would be in the form of some damaging winds, maybe some large hail. Isolated tornadoes, just a remote possibility. But that slight risk area certainly expands and covers several states. So all of West Tennessee under a slight risk of severe weather for Saturday, and again that will involve the potential for damaging winds, large hail, and isolated tornadoes. The next issue is flooding. A flash flood watch is in effect for all of West Tennessee, and you can see in adjacent areas, as a matter of fact. And I put together a rainfall projection here that's based on the latest computer models and thinking, and you can see right in the heart of West Tennessee, much of West Tennessee, it's safe to say, will get 7 inches of rain from now through Sunday. So this could be a significant flooding event that we hadn't seen in several years. We need to keep this in mind, and residents need to plan accordingly as you travel, because this could become a very hazardous situation. So as we recap, once again, the potential exists for severe thunderstorms, including isolated tornadoes and heavy rain and flash flooding as we go through the weekend. A slight risk of severe thunderstorms is existing for all of West Tennessee through much of the weekend. And a flash flood watch is now in effect for West Tennessee from tonight through Sunday afternoon, with 5 to 8 inches of rainfall expected over the weekend. We'll stay up on the latest weather by checking in with West Tennessee Weather Online, found on Facebook. I'm meteorologist Eddie Holmes, West Tennessee Weather Online. Make it a great Friday.